Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to generate icons into Photoshop. As these icons are widely used in web designing, this video would be helpful for all those beginners in web designing. So let's begin. Okay, let's begin. As you all can see, the Photoshop window is kept open and we all know that we can write down any type of text as we want, and we can also make them as the way we want using this text box. But what if I want to introduce this type of specific icons into my Photoshop? For that, we are going to use these three websites, download them and introduce into our Photoshop. So let's see how we can do this. So the first one is ICO Moon, second one is Font Awesome, and the third one is Linear Icons. So let us see how we can download these icons from this website. So all you have to do is just go to the generate font and then download them. So as you can see, they are being downloaded, and the same we are going to do for Font Awesome. Download them and download for free of the desktop. And again for the free vector line we are going to download here. Okay, so let's see. Here all three zip files are downloaded and I have already extracted them here. So all you need to do is just go for first one and install all these three fonts. You can install it using this way. Just click on this install tab and you will have to do this for other two also, and the same procedure can be followed for these icons. Here this should be installed using this install tab, and again for this third one install these fonts using this tab. Since I already installed them, I am not going to do it again. So now let's see how we can introduce in Photoshop. So here, so if I want to introduce this home shape, I am going to check it and then going to generate font. Here you have to remember that you have to copy this square and paste. So you can see home icon is being shown. So now I'm going to change this color so you can see it clearly. Okay, now let us take second one. Now here, in order to introduce the icons from Font Awesome, it is little tricky one. So all we need to do is copy, then paste it in other window, and I'm going to extend it for cheat sheet. So here they are. So as you can see here, they are classified into solid, regular and brands. So if you are going to take solid icons, you will have to select here in the text box as solid 1, this solid. So you can also see here all three are listed separately: brand regular, free regular and free solid, as being shown here: solid, regular and brands. So if I am selecting this icon which is listed under the solid icons, I should keep this as my solid icon. So it is here showing angry face. Yeah. Now let us go for second one. We are going to take the brands. You can see all popular brands are listed under these brand icons. We are going to take some popular one here, YouTube. Let's take it, copy, and here paste. So as you can see, it is again not showing the YouTube icon. Now we are going to change this as brand of Font Awesome brand regular. Okay, so it is here, YouTube icon. So you can also take any other icon from this second one, and here is the final one. It is very easy one because all you need to do is just write down the name of the icon that you want to introduce. So here if I want to introduce eye icon into my Photoshop, all I'm going to do is write I, but it should be in the format of linear one. So just click linear icon and you can see the I shape. Okay, so let us take other one. Here I have shown here rocket, so let us write down rocket. It is going to convert it into icon. See, it's pretty good. So let us take 2 or 3 examples here of heart. Let us write down the heart here, and it is converted into heart shape. Okay, so that's it. This was all for our video. Thank you for watching us. See you again.